intergalactic traffic.
All pilots, to ensure a safe flight, remain seated with your seatbelt fastened, keeping your hands, arms, feet. To make your rocket ship fly higher, pull back on the control lever in front of you. To descend, just push the control lever forward. Thank you. Pilots, prepare for liftoff. Astro Orbiter is now beginning its descent. Please remain seated until the rocket ship stops and follow the arrows to the right. Welcome back to life.
Remain seated for the right subscribe file stops. Gather all personal belongings and please exit to your left and only your left, following the white arrows on the ground towards the elevators. Are we ready?